एक ही पोस्ट में टेंस खत्म, शुरू से अंत तक। टेंसेज: प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर। प्रेजेंट सिंपल, verb, verb plus yes. Present continuous, am, is, are, verb plus ing. Present perfect, has or have plus the third form. Present perfect continuous, has or have been plus verb plus ing. Past simple, second form, regular or irregular. Past continuous, was or were plus verb plus ing. Past perfect, had plus third form. Past perfect continuous, had been plus verb plus ing. Future simple, will plus verb 1. Future continuous, will be plus verb plus ing. Future perfect, will have plus third form. Future perfect continuous, will have been plus verb plus ing. Present tenses: simple present, subject plus verb plus object. Examples: I go, he goes. Present continuous, subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing plus object. I am going, she is going. Present perfect, subject plus has, have plus verb 3 plus object. Examples: they have gone, she has gone. Present perfect continuous, subject plus has, have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Examples: they have been going, she has been going. Past tense, simple past, subject plus verb 2 plus object. Examples: I went, he went. Past continuous, subject plus was, were plus verb ing plus object. Example: I was going, you were going. Past perfect, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Example: they had gone, she had gone. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. They had been going, she had been going. Future tense, simple future, subject plus will plus verb plus object. Examples: I will go, he will go. Future continuous, subject plus will be plus verb ing plus object. Example: I will be going, you will be going. Future perfect, subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus object. Example: they will have gone, she will have gone. Future perfect continuous, subject plus will have been plus verb ing plus object. Example: they will have been going, she will have been going. अब इसका उत्तर आप बताइए. I dash with you, was or were. Comment your answer. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.